up. Always got what I wanted, never asked nobody for nothing. I can take a trip to the islands alone, but if you want it, you gotta come with something new. I don't know what's wrong with you. So over your petty games, you're getting way too comfortable.
What's happening, YouTube? As y'all can see, your girl is glowing. I just finished my morning skincare routine. That is what I'm about to show you now. Before we get started into this video, make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all hit that like button, and also make sure y'all hit that bell button to make sure y'all are notified when my next video is posted. So in today's video, I did do my normal skincare routine with my favorite products that I usually use. I don't wash my face with soap in the morning due to I have really dry skin. So if you have dry skin, your most important skincare routine will be at nighttime when you're washing your face. So in the morning, that's why I use the cleansing towels, as y'all going to see. I've been traveling, so my psoriasis has flared up on my face. It's starting to get a little better. That's what y'all see. That's the reason why I'm using the tea tree oils. So this is what we're doing with. I love the natural glow. I'm a very dewy person because I do suffer from dry skin. Most of the things that I bought is at Sephora or online. And I mean, that will be it.
You act like you need reminding, trying to do it over, bring it back and rewind it. But all that glitters isn't gold, I was blinded. Should've never give you my heart on consignment. And I can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him. No, you took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, no. On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because, no. All them times I played the fool for you, thinking we could put it back together. Thought we had forever, you never see my point of view. Our connection is so severed, you don't show no effort. I can't believe the lies that I went for. Thought you was mine, but you decided to be with him, no. Took my feelings and just threw them out the window. Feel like it's too hard to fall in love again, no. On some nights like this, shawty, I can't help but think of us. I've been reminiscing, sipping, missing you. Can you tell me what's with all this distant love? If I call, would you pick it up? On some nights like this, I just wanna text you, but for what? You gon' say you want me, then go switch it up. Just gon' play with my emotions just because, no. You gon' get my hopes high, girl. You gon' get my hopes high, girl.
I hope y'all really enjoyed my video. This is basically just something real quick to show y'all guys what I do in the morning to do my skincare routine. Hopefully my psoriasis is almost done clearing up because y'all, this is a headache. Okay, this psoriasis stuff is a headache, mainly when you're traveling. You really can't wear makeup because it really shows, like, and then I really don't like to go outside because even if I wash my face, it gets so red. It looks like I have a big rash across my face. So everything basically is gonna be down below. I hope y'all really enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all like this video and give it a thumbs up. If y'all do, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up for my skin, because even though I got psoriasis, your girl's skin still popping. My skin still popping. You feel me? Look at this. Like, popping. Cause this skin is popping. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Very hydrated. Booyah! Period poo. Hold on, y'all, cause my lips is a little ashy. So I had to put some cool beans. Alright. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed everything. I'm giving y'all all my little secrets to my skincare routine. Peace out.
Baby, why